Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some partly cloudy skies out there, mainly dealing with some high clouds at the moment. Just a few cumulus around 2,500 feet, and then scattered deck around 15,000 feet. Broken deck 25,000 feet. Do expect those high clouds to continue to build in as we go throughout the day, as we do have a cold front approaching the area. Otherwise, temperatures sitting at 83 degrees at the moment, winds out of the south at 13 knots. If you take a look at the current surface analysis, we do see we have this cold front that is moving into the area. That'll bring us a good chance of seeing some showers and storms this evening. A few of those could be strong to severe, as we are in a slight risk, as you can see by the yellow hatched area, slight risk for severe weather from the Storm Prediction Center. So we do have that potential for some stronger storms with some stronger wind gusts and heavier rainfall associated with those. Looking at the upper level winds from this morning's balloon sounding, we have southerly winds near the surface becoming west-southwesterly as we go up through the column, with the peak wind at 3,000 feet of 30 knots and fairly light throughout the rest of the column around 15 knots. Freezing level is at 13,500 feet. Looking at the current visible satellite as well as the composite radar, we can see those showers and storms off to the northwest along and in front of that boundary that's moving into the area. That is again expected to push into our area, and we'll see some activity as we get into the late afternoon, but more so into the evening hours and overnight. As you can see, winds have picked up a little bit from this morning over the area, and we expect those to continue to do so ahead of this front as the pressure gradient starts to tighten. We'll see those wind gusts build. So if we look at the short-term high-res model to see how some of these storms play out this evening, we're expecting things to remain dry as we go through much of the day today, and won't see any significant shower activity until we get into the late afternoon and early evening hours. When that boundary starts to push in, we'll see some storms pushing through the area through the overnight hours. We'll see things become more scattered to isolated after midnight, and but still keeping a chance of some showers lingering around through the morning hours. And just a slight chance for the beginning of the day tomorrow, as we have another round of showers that will move through during the afternoon hours tomorrow and into the evening again as well, bringing us some more unsettled weather moving through the overnight and into Wednesday. Wednesday looks like we'll have a chance for some isolated scattered showers in the morning, and then potentially drying out a little bit into the afternoon. But then as we go into the overnight hours for our Wednesday, we could potentially see another round of some showers and storms in the area through the overnight hours. And then Thursday looks to dry out a bit, with just a slight chance of maybe seeing a pop-up shower in the area. But otherwise looks to be the more dry day in the forecast for now. And then as we get into the weekend, we have a potential for another cold front moving into the area. Still working out some agreement with the models on this one, but nonetheless looks like we'll have a boundary moving through the area, and depending on what this boundary does will kind of determine how much rain and disturbed weather we get for the weekend, whether it pushes clear of the area or gets stalled up like they often do just to our south. That'll keep the chance for some precip throughout our weekend and into our Monday and beginning of next week. So if we look at the 24-hour weather risk chart, are expecting things to warm up a little bit today, expecting high of around 93. Do have those heat index values that will be at or around 100 degrees today, so we do have a heat advisory out from 11 to 5 p.m. So we are yellow for the heat index this morning, and then as we get into the afternoon, that's when we expect those heat indices to crank up a bit and then linger into the later part of the afternoon. Again, we do expect to see those winds pick up as well. Could see some gusts out of the south-southwest up to 24 to 25 knots, so we are orange for the risk of seeing a wind advisory as we go throughout the day today and into the first part of the evening hours. Those rain chances will not pick up till we get past the 1600 or 4 p.m. time frame, and the better chance will come after the 6 p.m. or 18 local time frame, with a probability about 60% chance of seeing some storms, and again, there's potential for some strong storms with heavy rainfall, as well as some strong wind gusts associated with those stronger storms. As we go through the evening, expecting the lows to tamper down with that rain-cooled air to about 76, but we'll keep those chances of showers and storms through the area for the morning hours as well. So just a yellow risk after we get past midnight for some of those lingering showers, becoming more isolated, scattered in nature. We do have yellow for reduced visibilities during that time of heaviest rain activity and thunderstorm activity, as those stronger storms could reduce our visibilities quite a bit with the heavy downpours. Looking at the next couple of days, Tuesday looks to be another unsettled day, mostly cloudy day. We'll have that slight chance for some showers early, and then we'll have a better chance as we get into the afternoon and evening, some scattered showers, to potentially more widespread showers and thunderstorms during afternoon and evening. Expecting a high of 86, so break from some of the heat and humidity we've seen, or the heat the last few days. We are orange for precip and lightning, and then we'll see some continued chances of those showers and storms as we go into the evening before finally tapering off. Low of 75 for our Tuesday evening. As we get into Wednesday, again, we'll have this slight chance again for some showers in the morning, and then a slightly better chance in the afternoon, but another round is likely to move into the area as we get into the evening hours and into the early hours of Thursday morning. Otherwise, expecting a high of 89 for our Wednesday, and yellow for precip and lightning. Looking at the extended forecast, again, Thursday looks to be the drier day with a high of around 91, so it returns of some more warm or hotter and more humid conditions for our Thursday. Partly cloudy day, do have that slight chance of seeing a pop-up storm, and then a chance as we get into the overnight and early morning hours Friday, as that boundary starts to approach, we'll have a better chance of seeing some more scattered to widespread showers and storms in the area, with a low of 76. As we go into our Friday, that's when we expect that front to potentially be moving through the area. So giving it about a 40% chance. Timing, still got to work out the timing, and as we get some better agreement with the models, but do expect to see some showers and thunderstorm activity for our Friday with a high of 90. And then we'll see things cool down to 73 Friday evening, and a slightly cooler weekend with potentially unsettled weather, again depending on where that boundary stalls out, or if it clears the area, it could potentially clear out some of the rain chances. So just have a slight chance of showers and storms for both Saturday and Sunday. A little on the cooler side with a high of 86 Saturday and a high of 84 for Sunday. Well, that will wrap up our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow at 8:15 and 10 a.m. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day.